dili na ko magtagalog kay mabash na sa daan eh. Hindi magod ko hawd, pero ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo, and I wanted to show up today to show my appreciation for your unwavering loyalty and support and love for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Daghang salamat yun sa inyo, and I hope dili ta muundang hantod sa makauli siya, because kita lang ang iyang hope. No, kada gabi when he is about to sleep, he told me that all he does, sometimes he looks by the window and he thinks of all the people that love him and all the people that he loves. So, mga kababayan ko, let us keep my Dada Rudy, your Tatay Digong, let us keep him going. Salamat sa inyo.
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Shout out sa Reaction Vlog, YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Yan, yan. Yan dapat o. Sakto siya.
Kapayapaan kaunlaran para sa Pilipino. Talasad ng mukha, parang wala saysayang paglaban. Sinubanan wala sa gitna, siya ngayon Paglaban, Tatay Digong, di ka nag-iisa. Milyon-milyong puso ang nasama. Bayang ginahal ng tapat.
Ang candle, yung maliit. Dapat yung kandila ngayon eh, madilim na.
Sa bawat apoy hindi ka susukuan ng bayan. Tatay Digong,
Kasi wala tayong mga bida-bida.
Thank you very much.
Ayan na ba? Wala. Hello? Ayan na ata. Enzo, Enzo! Andito na po, andito na ha. Sige, let's play that song. Let's all sing that song.
Sandali, mag-live ako.
Mag-live siya. Ayan na, ayan na.
Ay, so wait, ang music muna. Music muna, paki-off ng music, gang. Thank you.
So, good evening everyone. I want to make it short because I understand na sana ba yung oras? 9 p.m. na,
Yung
no?
music
And
paki-
of course, all of you have your lives to get back to also. But, ayun, first of all, I want to thank you for, you know, for those of you who keep showing up for my father. Kay, this is not an easy situation to navigate. The whole family, from the whole family, dako kaayo nga pasalamat sa inyong tanan. Kay, it's been, pila na ba ka months? 5 months, yes. 5 months, no? Unya, wala gihapoy pag-undang suporta and paghigugma ang among nadawat. So, daghang salamat sa inyo. I know that I said kanina na my father was okay. He is okay. He sounded lively and sharp as usual. But of course, his situation is not to be taken lightly because he has said that the loneliness does get to him more intensely and more frequently than he'd like to admit. So, ayun, that's why I try to be as persistent as possible because I know that the family, the whole family, and you, all of you, we keep him going. So, nooto. With that being said, it keeps him going, the constant communication from the visits, the calls, and of course my daily letters. So I left The Hague, the first time I left The Hague was April 16, I think. April 16. So I've been writing him daily letters, yun, and I have not stopped. So, and he told me that from time to time he does go over them when he gets lonely. And so, Kato, when I visit him tomorrow, at least I can update him na naamo na nandito kayo lahat ngayon. So, I'm sure that he will be very happy and grateful to hear it. Again, daghan kayong salamat sa inyo. Ayun, I will not make this very long na kay I know that all of you are busy also. And gabi na pod, so mga tulog na tatanan. Actually, nagakulot na ni akong buhok diri sa taas kay pasabot ana haggard na pod ko, no? Katugon na pod ko. Pero daghang salamat sa inyo. Dili na ko magtagalog kay mabash na sa daan eh. Hindi magod ko hawd, pero ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo, and I wanted to show up today to show my appreciation for your unwavering loyalty and support and love for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Daghang salamat yun sa inyo, and I hope dili ta muundang hantod sa makauli siya, because kita lang ang iyang hope. No, kada gabi when he is about to sleep, he told me that all he does, sometimes he looks by the window and he thinks of all the people that love him and all the people that he loves. So, mga kababayan ko, let us keep my Dada Rudy, your Tatay Digong, let us keep him going. Salamat sa inyo.
Duterte! 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 Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
All of us at The Hague.
Bigay mo na.
Bigyan mo ng flowers.
Sa inyo na Netherlands.
Okay, photo op, photo op. Saan niyo gusto mag-photo op? Dito na. Or you want the stairs one?
Ang balay lang baya ko ha. Dili lang siguro na to apilon ako medyas, no?
It's okay, no problem.
One guy.
No problem.
Puting na ba? Sige.
Dito kayo. Dito kayo, dito kayo, dito kayo.
Hello. Huwag ko rin abot si Kitty, pero murag suli. O nag-picture pa. Kasi makabot pa ka, kaya mag-picture pa.
Ready? Dito po. One.
Kasi makabas pa
Isa ka,
kayo.
Diyos. One.
Sige.
1, 2, 3. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Nakuha lagi, halo. Naunsa man to na siya. Uy, mura mag. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, ang ganda. Thank you, ha.
Thank you, Kitty, and of course, our prayers and love for your Tatay Digong.
May picture taking.
Sige, magkwento naman na
Ito siya, baby boy. Yeah, you want a baby boy too, ha? A big baby boy.
Yung una mga viewer na palakero yung ka.
Kasi palakiro.
Kay single man, kung anong palakero man siya sa'yo na, ay, ano tawag kami sa palakero? Babaero. Sa amin, palakero kasi yan. Pero it doesn't matter, kay single man ka. So, thank you, ha. Thank you for being here. Laban, opo. Thank you.
Okay?
Apa may sugod lang, napay mo. Dugay pa man.
Correct, exactly. That's my point. Kit, are you okay?
Hello na kayo kasi hello.
You'll be visiting. Please kasi the Duterte. Okay. They'll be there. Okay.
Oh, na, okay lang po, ma'am. Salamat po. Yes, same time.
Pwede ka magpa-picture ka. Kadali lang kay Hazel.
Ma'am, a supporter gave this for Tatay Digong. This is a shirt.
Okay, salamat.
Dali. I'll take for you. Kit,
Agila. Okay, go.
dito ka ma'am. Hazel. Wait. Ma'am Hazel, dali ma'am Hazel. Wait lang. Dito ka ma'am.
Hala, picture.
Kit, kayo look.
Paliw po ni ate ni Bobin.
Wait lang. Kayo take.
Ay, kaburay. O, dali na.
Picture mo? Bakit ano po na? Nakabayan namin na.
Hindi naman ko lang siya. Sama ni mag-change ka. Hindi sa kapim. Asa si Ate Ems?
Okay.
Dali ng cellphone niya.
Guys, may jet lag pa si Kitty.
Kit, where's your flower? Where's the bag? Ay, Nara. Tara, Kit.
Dito na, una mo, para di na matagpuan. Ay, kung ito ko na.
Nakuha.
Your car's there.
Thank you so much.
Your car's there here.
Yes.
Kit, tomorrow, the same day na ba? Ay, the same time na ba?
Yes.
Tomorrow. Please come and visit us doon.
Yes,
sa
of
ano.
course.
Thank you, Kang.
After na lang kay
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Okay. It's always after.
Time's your visit tomorrow.
Same time.
1:30.
Around 1.
Yeah.
So we'll wait for you mga around 3.
Hindi paliw ko gusto mo contact ko. Kailangan may last conversation last.
Kit, please tell your father that we are here really for
Yes,
him.
oo, ako ang ingnan. Wala na ako naingon ganina kay wala pa man mo pag-abot na
No
ako.
worries,
But I
yeah.
will tell him tomorrow.
Ano, so pakisabi sa
So
kanya.
may pangalan anong bata?
Ang layo.
Si
You know, he's
From London.
kapatid ni Kini.
yes.
Nag-message man.
He's my kinukurat boy. You know, he comes to me and says, Tito Harry, in an English accent.
With a pinakurat. With a pinakurat.
How old are you?
Wait,
Salamat.
sushi. From the sushi maker. Ako na, I'll bring it. Sushi day.
Anong ani ka? Di ani siya sakay.
Hindi ata.
But I start again next month. So I just
Pero anak ko bata dito.
wala pa'y final date.
But you're gonna spend the whole summer here?
As much as I can, yes. So, wala pa'y final date, but dili pa mo abot og 2 months.
Prime Minister in Lasal, no?
Send our greetings to your mom. I
Yes,
hope
of
she's
course.
fine.
Yes.
Also, tomorrow kumuha to siya sa Duterte Street.
Sige.
Going na siya, ha?
Salamat sa akin.
Is this, you tell your mom,
Oo, okay, ano?
Annie is willing to drive you around. She's probably the wealthiest woman in The Hague, in the Philippines. So, good
Naulaw
for you to know.
ka.
Good for you to know.
Around the same time. The
Kit.
visit is the same time. It's around 1 p.m. Okay.
Kit,
I'll be
can I
waiting.
have one?
Okay, I'll see.
Super nice. Are you sure?
Kenny, take care. Bye-bye, pinakurat boy.
Bye-bye, the Pinakurat
What's your
boy.
name again?
The Kuya, the Kuya.
Oh.
The Kuya Pinakurat boy.
What's your
The
name?
Kuya Pinakurat.
Charles and Marcus. Okay, bye-bye. Don't forget. Salamat.
Yes. Thank you for being here.
Oh, di ba nilo ka?
Mauna. Sige, follow
Kit,
back.
thank you for being here today.
Salamat
I appreciate
kayo.
talaga. Thank you so much, Kit.
Salamat kayo sa inyo.
Kit, thank you, Kit.
Okay, brother.
The sushi.
Salamat.
Bye, bye-bye.
Kitty, thanks! Good night! That was Kitty.
Bye, Philippines! Importante na paluba.
Yun po mga kababayan. That was Kitty Duterte.